Hello everyone, welcome to watch this video. This video will focus on quantifiers. There are 6 quantifiers mentioned in this video. If you want to talk about something that is less than you need or you want, you will say not enough, too few, or too little. But if the thing is just right or the perfect amount, you will use enough. And if you want to talk about something that is more than you need or more than you want, you will say too much or too many. Let's talk about too many or too much. We use these 2 quantifiers to talk about the excessive amount of things. When we use too many, we need to add a countable noun, like too many people, too many cars, too many houses. While when we use too much, we need an uncountable noun, like too much noise, too much money, too much time. Noise, money, and time are uncountable nouns. If we want to talk about something that is or that are less than what we want or what we need, we will use too few or too little. Too few is the opposite of too many. We need a countable noun. While when we talk about too little, it is the opposite of too much, so we need an uncountable noun after too little. Let's look at the examples. I have got too many CDs. The word CD is a countable noun, so we will use too many, which means I don't have a place to put all the CDs that I have got. Number 2, Jane invited too few people for the party. The word people is a countable noun, and we will use too few. Number 3, there is too much traffic in my town. The word much is used to modify the noun traffic, and traffic is an uncountable noun, so we will use too much. And last one, John has too little free time. The word little is used to modify the noun time, and the word time is an uncountable noun, so we will use little. Let's talk about enough and not enough. When we want to talk about the perfect amount, we will say enough. But if we want to talk about something that we need more, we will use not enough. Not enough is the opposite of too much or too many, so we use this phrase to say that more is needed. And the word enough or not enough can be used to describe countable and uncountable nouns. So let's look at the examples. There are not enough people. The word people is a countable noun here to play a football match. Another example is there is not enough time to answer all the questions. The word time is an uncountable noun, and we can still use enough to describe an uncountable noun. Let's do some exercise. You have to choose the right option according to the picture. If you need more time to think about it, you can pause the video. Question 1. There are people in this room. So you can look at the picture. When you do these kind of questions, you have to think about the noun. And here, we need to describe the noun people. And people is a countable noun. So which one do you think it is the best answer? The answer should be too many. As I mentioned, people is a countable noun, so we need a quantifier that can be used to describe a countable noun. As you see the picture below, you will find that there are too many people in the room, while the room is not that large enough. So too many is the best answer. Question 2. I cannot come out. I have got work. The answer should be too much. I cannot come out. I have got too much work. The word work is an uncountable noun, and as you see the picture, you will find that there are 2 piles of papers here, right? And then the word work is an uncountable noun, so I think too much is the best answer for this question. Question 3. We do not need any more vegetables. We have got. The answer would be enough. We do not need any more vegetables. We have got enough. The word enough shows that the amount of vegetables is perfect. That means we don't need any more vegetables, or the amount of vegetables is enough for us. Question 4. She makes noise. From the picture, the lady is taking a microphone. So, which one do you think it is the best answer? The answer would be too much. As we all know, noise is an uncountable noun. And from the picture, you can see the lady is using a microphone. It makes your voice louder when you speak into it, so that people can hear you although they are not near to you. So the quantifier too much is the best option to describe the uncountable noun noise. Another question. There are still women working as CEOs. From the picture you can see there are altogether 8 people, while there is only one woman, one lady working as CEO. So which one is the best answer? The answer will be too few. The word women is a countable noun, so we will use too few instead of too little. Last 2 questions. I have money to invest. As you can see, this man, he is unhappy with such amounts of money, right? And the word money is an uncountable noun. So which one is the best answer for this question? The answer would be too little. As I mentioned, the word money is an uncountable noun, and such amounts of money is not enough to invest. So we know that too little is the best option for this question. Last question. There are many people but only 10 mangoes. There are mangoes. So which quantifier is used to describe the amount of mangoes? The answer would be not enough. The quantifier not enough is used to describe both countable and uncountable nouns. And also, not enough means we need more mangoes. Therefore, not enough is the best answer for this question. It is the end of this video. Hope you know how to use quantifiers to describe the amount of things.